All right, welcome back to the channel, you guys. My name is Tamaria Loc'd and I go by Tamaria Loc'd on all of my social media platforms. So feel free to follow me on whatever your favorite platform is. Today we're getting ready to dive into some energy of the tarot cards and hopefully pull some messages of inspiration, something that will help you to be motivated, some sort of guidance. And as we're pulling these messages, I just wanted to put a disclaimer that I am hoping that they come to me and through me through pure intentions. So we're going to be doing a one card read for each zodiac sign today. So if you've watched my previous videos, then we're just going to roll the dice. One has the zodiac signs, then the other has the number. So the number will be used to determine how many times we actually shuffle the cards. And then I guess as well, at the end of the one card read, we could also give each zodiac sign a affirmation from the Mindful Collective deck. So yeah, that is what we got going on for today. So let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, divine, so we have two more zodiacs that we need to pull energy for today. We need Capricorn and we also need Cancer. Divine, which of those do we have a message for today? All right, Gemini, we've already done. We're looking for Capricorn or Cancer. Taurus, Virgo, Aquarius, all right, Capricorn. All right, Capricorn, and then on top of that we have a 12 card shuffle. All right, so divine, as we go ahead and channel a message for our Capricorn today, please let it be full of guidance, inspiration, and motivation. So since it is a 12 card shuffle, I do understand if you want to go ahead and fast forward directly to the message. But yeah, let's see what we have for Capricorn. Right, hopefully that was 12. All right, Capricorn, so we have the Sun card. All right, so we have the Sun. Now with this particular energy, Capricorn, you could be in it or you could be getting ready to experience it. It's something that's going to divinely happen to you, whether or not you are expecting it or not. So basically the Sun card is this kid sitting on a white horse. The horse, the color white, is symbolizing purity. Of course, the child is symbolizing innocence. All right, and then the sun is just symbolizing a sense of joy. So you have like this childlike joy and excitement for all of the things that are going on in your life. There's also a wall behind the child and the horse, which just symbolizes your past experiences. You're moving forward from your past experiences, and in doing so, you're having this sense of joy and this sense of enlightenment. As well, everything is just blossoming for you. So it's just like an unexplainable joy that you should be having or getting ready to experience from the divine. This is something that is given to you. It's not something necessarily that you've done anything to work towards. It's just God's way of saying, I want you to feel good. So that is what I have for you right now, Capricorn. You have the sun energy right now. I'm going to go ahead and pull an affirmation card for you as well. All right. All right. So your affirmation card says, all of my emotions are part of my human experience. All of my emotions are part of my human experience. All of my emotions are part of my human experience. So yeah, that's what I have for you today, Capricorn. I hope you were able to find something that resonated with you. If you did, be sure to go ahead and like this video and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss your next message. I'll see you in the next one, Capricorn. Bye.